This is the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. This is a kitchen essential that I use every single day. It's sleek, accurate, and super easy to clean, which is a must in my kitchen. I started using it to track my protein and portions more precisely. And let me tell you, it's a game changer whether you're meal prepping, baking, or just keeping it real with the macros. What I love is how simple it is. One button to turn it on, one to do the switching through the units, grams, ounces, milliliters. Yes, I use it for milk or water, and the display is super easy to use. I'll show you. So you put your measuring utensil on, you're gonna go hit this one and it's gonna go back to 0. So then you're ready to add it in. Otherwise, it's gonna give you a positive or a negative. But when you take it off, you need to go back and make sure you do it again and takes it back to 0. It's slim enough to slide into a drawer, but durable enough to handle with heavy ingredients. And bonus, it's affordable without looking cheap. If you're trying to stay consistent with healthy eating or just want your recipes to actually turn out right, like baking cookies or cakes, this little scale will make your life easier.